Homeowners in Worcester understand how quickly energy costs can rise, especially during cold winters and humid summers. One of the most effective ways to improve comfort and cut utility bills is by upgrading to energy-efficient windows, but just as important as the product itself is the quality of installation. Professional window installation ensures that your investment performs as promised, sealing out drafts, reducing heat loss, and maintaining stable indoor temperatures all year long. Precision installation prevents energy loss. Even the most advanced window can fail to deliver energy savings if it's poorly installed. Gaps, uneven seals, or misalignment can let air seep in and out, forcing your heating and cooling system to work overtime. Professional installers use specialized tools and techniques to ensure a tight, level fit. Experts measure every frame precisely, accounting for Worcester's varied home styles, from classic colonials to modern builds, to guarantee a perfect seal. By eliminating air leaks, they prevent up to 30% of potential energy loss, making a measurable difference in monthly utility bills. A DIY or low-quality installation might appear fine at first glance but can lead to hidden problems like condensation buildup, warped frames, or drafty rooms. Professionals understand the local climate's challenges and use industry-approved sealants and insulation to make every window a strong barrier against outdoor elements. Maximizing the benefits of energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows are designed with cutting-edge technology, such as low-E coatings, argon gas fills, and insulated frames, to minimize heat transfer. However, these features only reach their full potential when installed correctly. Certified Worcester window professionals know how to handle these advanced materials without compromising their insulation properties. For example, over-tightening screws or failing to insulate the sash area properly can reduce a window's energy rating. Professional installation guarantees that every component, from the weather stripping to the frame insulation, is working together to create a thermal shield around your home. The result? You enjoy consistent indoor comfort, fewer drafts, and less strain on your HVAC system, all while contributing to a greener, more sustainable home environment. Customized solutions for Worcester's climate. Worcester's climate requires year-round adaptability. Windows must block cold air in the winter while allowing natural light and ventilation during warmer months. Professional installers recommend window types and materials that best fit local weather patterns. For instance, double-pane vinyl windows with thermal breaks work well for Worcester's temperature swings. Experts also consider sun exposure, house orientation, and architectural design, ensuring each installation enhances both energy performance and aesthetic appeal. Professionals can also guide you on available Massachusetts energy efficiency incentives for upgrading to Energy Star windows, helping you save even more on your investment through rebates or tax credits. Long-term savings and protection. Properly installed windows are built to last. Professional installers typically offer warranties on both labor and materials, giving you peace of mind that your new windows will continue performing efficiently for decades. Beyond immediate energy savings, professional installation prevents costly long-term issues like water infiltration, mold growth, or frame deterioration, problems that can compromise your home's insulation and indoor air quality. When your windows are installed right the first time, maintenance becomes minimal, and your home's overall resale value increases. Potential buyers in Worcester often look for homes with energy-efficient upgrades, making this an investment that pays off in both comfort and property value. Professional expertise delivers lasting comfort. The difference between a professional and an amateur installation often shows up over time, in your comfort level, your heating and cooling bills, and your home's overall performance. Certified installers don't just replace old glass, they engineer a complete energy solution that integrates seamlessly with your home's structure. Whether you're replacing a few aging windows or renovating your entire property, choosing a trusted Worcester window installation team ensures you'll enjoy lower energy bills, improved comfort, and a more eco-friendly home. Final thoughts. Professional window installation in Worcester is more than just a home improvement project. It's a smart investment in energy efficiency, sustainability, and year-round comfort. With expert craftsmanship, precise fitting, and attention to local climate demands, professional installers help you achieve maximum energy savings while enhancing the beauty and value of your home. When it comes to efficiency, comfort, and peace of mind, the right installation makes all the difference.